The idea behind this program was to get senior leaders in the insurance sector to understand the various norms followed by organizations today as part of ESG management, reporting and communication. The way we have designed this program is very unique. We make sure that participants are not only trying to get to know what is the industry best standards and practices, but they are also feeling enriched with the classroom discussions with a lot of peer-to-peer learning and the case study material that is provided to them.
This had been a path-breaking workshop, in fact, conducted by IMB on ESG, the most pressing and pertinent topic for the human mankind, for our future, for our generations to come. And the kind of knowledge sharing or the kind of learning which has been there, definitely it's going to help to adapt the principles, the learnings in our day-to-day life, in our businesses, in our corporate world, and how we can adapt it to our growth, in fact, along with sustainability goals and along with our targets, in fact, where we can minimize carbon footprints, where we can have biodiversity, where we can have great gender diversity and upliftment of the overall ecosystem, in fact.
I'm here in the beautiful campus of IIM Bangalore for a 2-day certificate program in ESG, which has been co-hosted by Tata AIG. It was an amazing 2 days of deep knowledge and insights on the vast world of ESG. It has been an amazing experience to listen to the faculty. We've been taken through the world and gamut of ESG and the relevance in the Indian industry. It has been also a beautiful stay in this lovely campus for the last 2 days. So I'm extremely thankful and grateful to Tata AIG and IIM Bangalore to host us for this amazing experience.
Leadership plays a very critical role in integrating ESG into the core purpose and philosophy of an organization and its strategy, which is what leads to a successful ESG implementation in an organization.